6 things about Minecraft that we really wanted and are also questionable. Number 1, 4 nether portals. Doesn't work. Number 2, number 4, 2 golems in one. Number 5, lapis beacon. Number 6, I don't even know. So this is it for today. Like, share, subscribe and make me reach 50 subscribers. Thanks for watching.